Fennel, roasted and paired with a simple white bean dip. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are cooking a simple appetizer, our roasted fennel and white bean dip. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Start by roasting the fennel. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a sheet pan with aluminum foil and set aside. Pour water into a large bowl, along with orange juice, and salt. Whisk to combine. Take a moment to like and share this recipe. Check out our channel for other healthy appetizer recipes. If you enjoy our recipes, subscribe below to know when we release new videos. Slice a thin layer from the root end of the fennel. Also, chop off the top by the stalk and fronds. Cut fennel into eighths. Gently separate the bulbs, but not into individual pieces. Place bulbs into the orange juice mixture. Coat bulbs with liquid and rest 10 minutes. Transfer fennel bulbs to another bowl and coat with olive oil. Spray sheet pan with nonstick spray. Lay fennel bulbs on prepared sheet pan. Season with pepper and cover with foil. Bake in oven 20 minutes. What simple appetizers do you like to make? Tell us by commenting below the video. To make the white bean dip, gather dried Italian seasoning. Toast in a skillet over low heat until fragrant. Remove from heat. Grab your can of cannellini beans. Drain and rinse them. Place beans into a food processor. Pour tahini into the food processor too. Roughly chop garlic. Add garlic to the food processor, along with lemon zest, and lemon juice. Season with salt, process on low speed until chunky. Process again while adding in olive oil. Once smooth, transfer bean mixture to a bowl. Pour in toasted spices, thoroughly combine, and set aside. If you have enjoyed this recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe and click on notifications to know when we release new recipes. After 20 minutes, remove foil and turn over fennel bulbs. Bake another 10 to 15 minutes. Your fennel should look like this. To put appetizer together, spread bean dip onto a plate. Top with roasted fennel and garnish with fennel fronds. This dish is delicious. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.